Welcome to Speakeasy English Podcast, where English becomes simple.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speakeasy English Podcast. Today, we are going to learn one of the most important grammar points in English, how and when to use a "a" and the dot. These small words called articles might look simple, but they can completely change the meaning of a sentence. Don't worry. In this lesson, you will not only understand the rules, but also practice with me using the shadowing technique. Remember, shadowing means listening carefully and repeating immediately after me, with the same intonation and rhythm. This will help you sound more natural and fluent in English, so stay with me until the end of this lesson, because we will practice together step by step, and by the end, you'll feel much more confident using an and the correctly dot. Now, let's get started. We use a before a singular, countable noun that begins with a consonant sound. It means one, but not a specific one. The article a is an indefinite article. It is used before singular, countable nouns that begin with a consonant sound. It means one, but not a specific one. Important. It depends on the sound, not just the letter. We say a dog because D is a consonant sound. We say a university because it starts with the sound. U, a consonant. U, common uses of a one. First mention when we talk about something for the first time. I saw a dog. Two professions after B. She is a doctor. Point 3. General category type. That's a good idea. Twice and frequency. Twice a week. It's $10 a ticket. 5 fixed expressions. A lot of, a few, a couple of, what a, such a. Do not use a with uncountable nouns advice, information, water, with plurals, books, cars, bays, before words beginning with a vowel sound. We use n there. Shadowing practice, repeat after me. I will read each sentence slowly. Listen carefully and repeat immediately. 1. I saw a dog in the park. I saw a dog in the park. I saw a dog in the park. 2. She bought a book yesterday. She bought a book yesterday. She bought a book yesterday. 3. He is a teacher. He is a teacher. He is a teacher. For this is a car. This is a car. This is a car. 5. I need a pen. I need a pen. I need a K. I need a K. 6. She wants a new phone. She wants a new phone. 7. We stayed in a hotel. 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 8. He found a wallet on the street. He found a wallet on the street. He found a wallet on the street. 9. I ate a sandwich for lunch. I ate a sandwich for lunch. I ate a sandwich for lunch. 10. She is a nurse. She is a nurse. She is a nurse. She is a nurse. Point 11. They rented a car for the weekend. They rented a car for the weekend. They rented a car for the weekend. 12. He lives in a small apartment. He lives in a small apartment. He lives in a small apartment. 13. We went to a party last night. We went to a party last night. We went to a party last night. 14. She has a problem with her computer. She has a problem with her computer. She has a problem with her computer. 15. He needs a break. He needs a break. He needs a break. Now you understand how to use the article a correctly. It is used with singular, countable nouns that begin with a consonant sound, and it always means one, but not a specific one. We also saw its main uses: to introduce something for the first time, to describe professions, to talk about a general type or category, in rates and frequency expressions, in many common fixed expressions like a lot of, a few, a couple of, You also practiced 15 shadowing sentences to build rhythm, pronunciation, and fluency. Remember, the secret is practice and repetition. The more you listen and repeat, the more natural English will become for you. Great work so far. Next, let's move to the article an, which follows almost the same rule, but with vowel sounds. We use an before a singular, countable noun that begins with a vowel sound. It also means one, but not a specific one. The article an is an indefinite article. It is used before singular, countable nouns that begin with a vowel sound. It means one, but not a specific one. Important. It depends on the sound, not just the letter. We say an apple because A is a vowel sound. We say an hour because H is silent. So the first sound is the vowel. Ow. We say a university, not an, because the sound is U, a consonant U. Common uses of an: one before vowel sounds, an orange, an egg, an elephant 2, before silent H, an hour, an honest man, an honor 3. Professions, categories, she is an engineer. Point 4. General category, that's an easy question. 5 fixed expressions, an awful lot, an incredible idea, such an opportunity. Do not use an before words beginning with a consonant sound, a dog, book, before plural nouns or uncountables. Shadowing practice, repeat after me. 1. I ate an apple this morning. I ate an apple. This morning. I ate an apple this morning too. She wants an orange. She wants an orange. She wants an orange 3. He bought an umbrella. He bought an umbrella. He bought an umbrella. For we stayed in an old house. We stayed in an old house. We stayed in an old house. 5. It was an easy question. It was an easy question. It was an easy question. 6. She is an engineer. She is an engineer. She is an engineer. Point 7. He met an actor yesterday. He met an actor yesterday. He met an actor yesterday. 8. They saw an elephant at the zoo. They saw an elephant at the zoo. They saw an elephant at the zoo. 9. This is an interesting book. This is an interesting book. This is an interesting book. 10. We need an hour to finish. We need an hour to finish. We need an hour to finish. Point 11. She gave me an honest answer. She gave me an honest answer. She gave me an honest answer. Point 12. He is an artist. He is an artist. He is an artist. Point 13. That was an unusual idea. 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 14. We had an egg for breakfast. We had an egg for breakfast. We had an egg for breakfast. 15. It was an honor to meet her. It was an honor to. It was an honor to meet her. It was an honor to meet her. Well done. You now understand how to use the article an correctly. It is used with singular, countable nouns that begin with a vowel sound, and also with some words where the H is silent, like an hour or an honest man. We reviewed its main uses before vowel sounds: an apple, an orange, an egg, before silent H words: an hour, an honest answer, with professions and categories. She is an engineer. For general types, that's an easy question. In fixed expressions, an incredible idea. An unusual opportunity. You also practiced 15 shadowing sentences, which helped you train your ear, rhythm, and pronunciation. Remember, the difference between A and N is not about spelling, it's about sound. Always listen to the sound that follows the article. Amazing progress so far. Now, let's move to the last part. The article the, which is a little different because it is a definite article. The article the is a definite article. It is used before singular or plural nouns, countable or uncountable, when we talk about something specific or something that is already known. Unlike a or an, which are indefinite, that makes the noun specific. Common uses of the one, when both the speaker and the listener know what we are talking about. The book on the table. Two, when something is unique or one of a kind. The sun, the moon, the sky. Three, when something has already been mentioned. I saw a dog. The dog was barking. Four, with superlatives and ordinal numbers. The best movie, the first time, the tallest building. Five, with geographical names. The Amazon, the United States, the Pacific Ocean. Six, with musical instruments and inventions. He plays the guitar. The internet changed everything. Do not use the with general. Non-specific things I like dogs gives not the dogs in general, with most proper names Brazil, Mary, London. Shadowing, practice, repeat after me. One. The sun is very bright today. The sun is very bright. Today, the sun is very bright today. Two, I saw a dog. The dog was barking. I saw a dog. The dog was barking. I saw a dog. The dog was barking. Three, she opened the window. She opened the window. She opened the window. For the moon looks beautiful. Tonight, the moon looks beautiful. Tonight, the moon looks beautiful tonight. Five, this is the best restaurant in Munich town. This is the best restaurant in town. This is the best restaurant in town. Six, he lives in the United States. He lives in the United States. He lives in the United States. Seven, the Pacific Ocean is very large. The Pacific Ocean is very large. The Pacific Ocean is very large. Point 8. She was the first person to arrive. She was the first person to arrive. She was the first person to arrive. 9. I want to play the guitar. I want to play the guitar. I want to play the guitar. 10. The internet has changed our lives. The internet has changed our lives. Internet has changed our lives. Point 11. We visited the Amazon last year. We visited the Amazon last year. We visited the Amazon last year. Point 12. The children are playing outside. The children are playing outside. The children are playing outside. 13. She. Read the letter carefully. She read the letter carefully. She read the letter carefully. 14. This is the tallest building in the city. This is the tallest building in the city. This is the tallest building in the city. 15. The teacher explained the lesson. The teacher explained the lesson. The teacher explained the lesson. Congratulations! You've just completed a full lesson on one of the most important parts of English grammar. Articles A gives an indefinite article used before singular, countable nouns that begin with a consonant sound. It means one, but not specific. I saw a dog. And gives an indefinite article used before singular, countable nouns that begin with a vowel sound or a silent H. It also means one, but not specific. I ate an apple. That gives the definite article used before singular or plural nouns. Countable or uncountable, when we talk about something specific, unique, or already mentioned. The sun is bright today. Together. These three small words make a huge difference in how natural and fluent your English sounds. In this lesson, you didn't just study the rules, you practiced with 45 real shadowing sentences by repeating, listening carefully, and speaking out loud. You are training your brain to think in English, not translate. Remember? Use a before consonant sounds. Use an before vowel sounds. Use the when something is specific or unique. Keep practicing every day. Repeat the sentences until they feel natural. And soon you will use again and the automatically without even thinking. Amazing job today. You are building strong grammar and confident speaking skills at the same time. Keep going and you'll see your English grow faster than ever. Well done, my friends. You've just completed this powerful lesson on a WAN. And I'm really proud of you for practicing with me today. Remember, the more you repeat and shadow, the more confident and natural your English will become. If you enjoyed this lesson and learned something new, don't forget to like this video to support our work. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future lessons. Share this video with your friends who also want to improve their English. And leave a comment below. Tell me which example was your favorite, or which part of the lesson helped you the most. Every time you interact, you not only help this channel grow, but you also make your learning stronger. Keep practicing, keep believing in yourself, and step by step you will reach fluency. Thank you for learning with me today, and I'll see you in the next episode.